rid of all this stuff. You might need some of them. I will keep the snow, and I will take a different color. It doesn't matter what you choose. You will break these blocks afterwards. So as you see here, this is where the Endermans will drop down on this one. So it's important that you have a line like this, you know, on top out there. So you know, like the Endermans won't spawn there and there, and yeah, you did something wrong. So I'll build a row 43 blocks. This is death mode, which means it has to be 44 from here. I'll put it on to kill mode, which makes it easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So let's check that that's right. Let's take one Enderman, and I'll do like this, so it will drop where I want it to drop, and push it. Nope, down, get down. Now let's see. Now he should be one hit with my hands, and that's right. So let's take away. I'll do like this, and make a new one spawn. So when I push this one, it will die, and it's of course it had to land there. So let's see if we can make this. Yeah, I can do like. Nope, why are you here? Let's do like this. Yeah, that made it. So as you saw, it died now, which means it's the right height. So let's get up here. This is where we will have the vines. So we have to make sure it's correctly right like this. I think that's it. Or let's do like this and just float right up in there. Yep. Like this, and make it around again. Make it as a circle. So there we go. Now we have marked the spawning pad, or I mean the death pad to the spawning pad. So let's make this 2 higher, so we can place down the vines, and on top of here we will have the first spawning pad. So if you one important thing, if you want to see more of these tutorials, please tell me in the comment section below, and I'll make some more. I might make something in Nether as well, but that will be when I reach 100 subscribers, I will say. And find some vines and button. I'll use the stone button. So then you just place down button. You can use any solid block which is small, you know, button, sign, I don't remember anymore right now. So when you do this on your single player, or your when you're in game mode 0, you should, and you don't want to waste vines, you can just place it on a row on top, but it will take some time for it to grow. So I'll do like this, take 2 rows at a time. It's a little bit it's cheaper to place it just on this row on top, because then you don't have to place the bottom as well. So now we're done with this. You can make this as well, or make this one higher for the first spawning pad. And it's easy redstone, very easy. I will give that. I can't remember the name of the person who made this from the first time, so I will give all the credits to him. A link to his channel will be in the description, and his name, and yeah, a big credit to him who made that. I can't remember his name, which is sad. So then you just place down pressure plates like this, and do the same on the other side. The Enderman will spawn on the pressure plate and be pushed down by the pistons. So we can get rid of this and that. Let's find the sticky pistons and make this 2 wider. Yeah, 2 wider on both of the sides, like this. And here we will have one of the first row of the sticky pistons, which means you see they won't be powered right now, but as soon as I do like this, I think I've already, yeah, I did something wrong. I see what I did. Wrong. Sorry guys, but I see what I did wrong. You need to place this on the bottom, and this row as well. I mean instead, and then pistons like this, and this, and then you have redstone, and repeater on the other ones, like this. So let's test this. No, this is being pushed out, and as you saw, I didn't get pushed, and I don't know why I put away this. I didn't get pushed off. That's because you did an extra block here. I'll use snow because I've used that on all the other stuff. So when I step on this now, I will be pushed. Let's stand here. I get pushed in here and fall down. So let's just test that real fast with take 3 of them, and they will fall down and die. I think I have it in kill mode. Yeah, it's kill mode. Let's just change this just in case, because then I can change it easier. So let's see. Has someone spawned? It falls, and it should survive. Yeah, and then we can push them off because we don't need this here. So fall down. Okay, and now you can just repeat that step on the other side. As I said later, or first in this tutorial, you will have to you know, if you build higher than 128, I'm on 56 right now. If you build higher than 128, you will have some new chunks loaded, and there will be not as many mobs spawning, which is not good. So you should not build higher than 128. Let's do like this. Place down this again. Do the same. This. And there we go. Or almost. Let's just do like this fast. There you go. This is the first row. So when you start the next one, you will have to do like this. You need at least 3 blocks. You stand the Enderman have enough room to spawn on. Then you just repeat the other step you did. Make this platform again, like this. You can make, yeah, whatever. I won't say that again. And then just make it 2 more wider on the sides, all the way. And I'll make this in fast forward. So yeah, let's start it now. see, or I have 3 layers, but I made 2 in the fast forward. So this is how one layer looks like. You can do like this, just to cover it a little bit up. And as you saw, like I did, I placed half slabs. That's my idea. You know, every person who makes redstone stuff makes a little bit from from their idea, or from their mind. You know, just makes what they think would look nice or beautiful. So yeah, this is one side, as you see. Do like this, and yeah, this is how it looks like on mine. Even though I have water as well. So let's test it with the one Enderman who just spawned here. Let's fall down there, and he should have maybe one hit kill. So yeah, that's all you have to do. You can make this as high as you want, you know, until you reach 128 in the height. So I'll make this 4 levels higher, and then I'll come back. So be right back.